How's it going, everybody? It is July 13th. This is Merch by Amazon sales update. Let's get into it. I put out a video yesterday about Prime Day. I was wondering if you guys saw a difference, if there was anything uh, that you wanted to share, and it looks like a lot of people did notice a difference. A lot of people had products selected. They were notified by Amazon to let them know that their product will be put on a certain discount, and it will be part of the Prime promotion. But for those of you who didn't get those emails, uh, you still probably would have seen some kind of a spike. For me, as you can see here, it was an exceptional day. Went from Sunday and Monday being just terrible. I can't even explain these days. Getting a bunch of threes to 11. Now, if I'm comparing it to those 2 days, then it's exceptional. But Saturday, I got 12, and it wasn't Prime Day. There was an 8. However, if we look across the board, yesterday for me was a great day with 18 sales in total. So that is really good. So 18 sales. I haven't had these kinds of sales, I would say, in a while. Like I've been averaging tens, but if we go back now, if we're looking at even let's look at today. Let's look at today actually. Where is it today? Uh, Recording this not even halfway through the day, I have 10 sales uh, already, which used to be my daily average. Like it was like the high, uh, for the total day. Now I have more than 12 or 13 hours to go in the day, and I already have 10 sales. So that being taken into consideration is what feels good. And this is what I talked about July. So far I'm sitting at 154 sales in July. Look at Japan. Like this to me is great. Germany and the UK, they also feel awesome. But 154, and I want to compare it to last month, and I'm just going to do the first 12 days because, like I said, this day is not over. 113. So we're now I'm 30%. So 50 sales, 40%, like 40 sales ahead of last month. It will be 50 by the end of the day, most likely. And that is a huge difference in 12 days. And that's the difference between June and July. And that's just what feels good about this. And something is different. Something is different for me. I don't know if you guys feel like something is different, but it feels good. So far, I have 83 sales in the US. Again, first 12 days. If it continues like this, it is going to be one of the stronger months uh, since November of 2021. Like I feel like I don't want to be too confident that it's going to beat out the average of like 150, 160. Uh, I don't know if it's going to crack 200. Like it's on the way to crack 200 and to do more. Uh, but we'll see. And that's with these kinds of numbers. That's with these kinds of numbers. So, and these are low numbers. So overall, July feels great so far. That's why I'm excited about, August, September, October. And this is me not running ads. This is me, like I said, taking a month off and just doing like a minimal job with uploads, with new designs, which there were no new designs for about a month. Uh, and things are just, getting better. And that's why I love, merch. That's why I love print on demand, and things are feeling good. So far, let me just pull this number up because I always like to see the total sales. So $1,500 in sales, $255.61 in royalties in the US so far. I can't do the math here quickly, but as you can see here, we're definitely looking at about 400 plus $450 if I'm doing the conversions correctly, especially this one here. So already, $450, $500 US in royalties, which feels great. And, we have more than a half a month to go. So let me know how you guys are doing. I can't wait to actually start pumping out new designs. I am uh, I am using new tools. Merchant Former I've used. AMZ Scout. I've started. I'm gonna start talking about that a little bit. Merch Titans Automation. I think things are falling into place. I wish I didn't have a full-time job. I wish I could just concentrate on this every single day. But you know what? We're not there yet. Maybe someday. And that's it. Let me know how you guys are doing. Like I said, it feels great. Hopefully you guys are doing well. I'll talk to you soon.